I'm on my way to the International Center of the Lutheran Church Missouri Synod. If you haven't heard yet, the KFUO broadcast studios and offices are moving over to that location later on this year. Here we are walking towards the main entrance of the International Center. As soon as you walk into the lobby here at the International Center of the Lutheran Church Missouri Synod, the KFUO studios will be directly to your right, with the main studio right here where this temporary construction wall is. That will be all glassed in. We're going to enter the construction area, hard hat area, where the main KFUO studios will be. They've done quite a bit of work in here as well. This was all open up in here. They put these steel beams in, structure, and then that's where the concrete floor is above us. When it's finished, the entrance door to the studio area will be right over here. Then as you walk in, you'll have a common room. Then you have your two production rooms, phone screener booth, and then right in here will be the on-air studio area. Looks like they got a lot of the heating and cooling ductwork in as well. This is the first time I've been out here since right before the holidays. It's amazing how much work they've completed in the last few weeks. We're up here on the third floor of the Classic 99 studios are going to be. It looks like they're getting the some of the framing in. Here's a sketch-up of what the Classic 99 studio will look like. I've got some of the framing in. This is where the staff of KFUO will be. It's Rod Zwanister's office right there.